Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to solve auto screen off problem in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the setting icon. Click on the setting icon. Now you will see many options. Scroll up and go to the lock screen option, so click on lock screen. Now you will see many option here. Click on the sleep mode. Other name of sleep mode is called the auto screen off option, so click on that. If your mobile phone screen is automatically lock after some seconds and some minute, you want to solve this problem, so click on the never option. So it means that your screen is never turned off uh, after some seconds or some minute. If you want to turn off, you will off then and then on then when you want to on. So in this way auto screen off problem is solved in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.